Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. Today's video is going to be a little bit weird just because I don't normally do like personal videos like this. Just because I used to do like vlogs and stuff and people didn't really watch them. So if you're interested in like my personal life and stuff, give me a comment down below and let me know. And if you'd like me to do like more like vlog style videos and, you know, documenting more like behind the scenes stuff. But anyway, leave me a comment down below if that's something you're interested in. I haven't really done a personal video in a while, so definitely let me know. Anyway, so you probably saw the title of this video. So this is something that I have been dealing with for kind of a while now. Just in terms of like my business and debating on where I'm supposed to be and what I'm supposed to do and what direction I'm supposed to go on. Like, I'm kind of like in this transition period between like beginner and where I want to be. Like, I'm not a beginner. I've been doing this for a few years now, but I know what I could be doing, and I'm not able to do that being where I am right now. I'm very hindered in terms of what I'm able to do, the opportunities that I have for my business. I live in a very small town and there's just not a lot happening here, to be honest. There's a lot that I want my business to be. Like, Casey and I just started this group that is growing exponentially by the day, which is crazy. But we want to be able to make content for that group, for these people, for everyone in the group, and we want to be able to do that like on a daily basis, not on a monthly basis, not sometimes, like literally on a daily basis. I want to be creating content for this group and for my VIP members, and I'm just not realistically able to do that where I am right now. So let me preface this by saying that nothing is set in stone. Things can always change, but for right now, my plan is to move to Florida. And just saying that is like crazy to me because I never saw myself like living anywhere else. But also, if you would have asked me a few years ago if I saw myself being like a YouTuber and a reseller and doing all of these things, I would have told the person who's saying that they were crazy. So my career has kind of taken this like crazy turn to something that I never really imagined that it would be, but I really like it. And I love teaching people and helping them with business and helping them pursue their passions, because I talk to people every day who are stuck at jobs where they're miserable, and they're stuck in places where they're miserable and they don't get to see their kids, they don't get to see their families. And I remember being that person. I remember being in college and working 2 jobs and feeling like I never had any time to live my life. And I really have a passion for helping people reach the point of having some amount of freedom in their life to where, you know, they don't look back at their life 50 years from now and say, oh, I wish I would have spent more time with my kids. I wish I would have spent more time with my family instead of at the office all day. Because it is possible to find that balance, to make money and still have a life. That is 100% possible, 1000% possible. So I have really developed a passion for helping people and for teaching people. And now I have my YouTube channel and my group, and I have all these people that I want to create content for, and I feel very hindered here in terms of being able to do that and the opportunities that I have. And I also feel like I feel like I'm in like this mental funk where I'm not able to run my Poshmark business also as well as I would like to be able to. Like, I don't have really a space to work, so it's very hard for me to do like listing on a regular basis, and I need to have a routine where I am creating content and doing Poshmark at the same time. And it's very, very difficult for me to do that here. Like, I need my own space. I need to get out of this mental fog, this funk that I'm in. And I feel like the way to do that is to go to a new place, and to go to a place where there are opportunities, where there are people that I can work with. And being in Florida, like, Casey and I can, you know, make more content for this group that we've started, because we owe that to the people in the group. And I feel like much better things are going to happen by me being in Florida. So this is happening very quickly, and it's a little bit daunting because I'm packing up. Like, I don't have really like furniture or anything like that I'm taking with me, but I am packing up like all of my inventory, which is super daunting. And that's just like that's a whole other video in itself, packing up my inventory. But anyway, so I'm gonna pack up my inventory and my stuff, and I'm gonna head to Florida, which is really crazy to say, but I'm super excited about it. And I just wanted to kind of make this video so that you guys would kind of have like a heads up of what's going on, like just like a life update kind of thing. And just so I have everybody like on the same page. So like, if I'm not in the next week or so, like not participating as much, like I'm still gonna be in my groups and, you know, trying to participate as much as I can. At the same time, I have to pack up all this stuff. I'm gonna try and like document that as well, like packing up my Poshmark business, which is, I try not to think about it, honestly. It's really scary thinking about packing. I hate packing. I'm not like a packing person. I'm not like I'm good at organizing other people's stuff, but like when it comes to my stuff, I'm not good at it. So I'm excited. I'm excited to be in a new place. I'm excited to just get back to like focusing on my business and not focusing on so much as what's going on around me, but like growing my business and making new goals and reaching my goals and getting my business to where I want it to be. Like I said, nothing is set in stone, but for now the plan is to go to Florida and find an apartment and start this new chapter. And I am excited for where my business is going and where my YouTube channel is going, and I am super excited to have you guys along with me. I'm almost to 6,000 subscribers, which is crazy. When I started this YouTube channel, I had no idea what was gonna happen, honestly. I just started posting stuff, which is, I guess, how you build a YouTube channel. I don't even know. But I thank you all for being here and for watching my videos and for being in my PoshBoss HQ group and in my mentorship group that Casey and I just started. And if you want information on any of those, it's all down in the description box. But yeah, I'm moving to Florida. So that is my update for today. If you would like to see more of these personal videos, like I said, comment down below and let me know. If you would like to see more vlogs, I don't know, I don't even know. Not, like I said, I posted vlogs before, but that was like a while back. So I guess I could start doing vlogs again if you guys would be interested in watching them. Anyway, this was just to like let you guys in on what is happening, what is going on, and yeah. Let's go to Florida. I'll see you guys in the next video.